Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. It's not something difficult, just some simple steps that you need to follow in settings, and you're going to be able to fix that problem. Okay, so now without wasting your time guys, let's go to my phone. And now I am on my phone, and the first thing, as I told you, that I'm going to do, which is I'm going to open settings. Okay, so now the first thing that we need to do, which is let's go to accessibility, and then let's go to touch, and let's scroll down until you find a call audio routine. Let's click on it. So now it's automatic. If it's good for you, like the sound, you don't have to change it, just keep it automatic. But if it's too low, switch it like to speaker. Okay, so if it's good, as I said, keep it on automatic, but if it's too low, switch it to speaker. And yeah, that's the first thing. Now let's go to the second way, which is let's go to hearing devices, and make sure if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device. Why I'm telling you this? Because if it's connected to a Bluetooth device, it's normally to not hear any voice or sound, and the sound will be automatically too low. So that's it guys. These are the two ways that you need to confirm in order to fix your iPhone speaker is too low. Okay, so this was the video guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.